Bonjour and welcome to Learn French with Nat. So in this video, I'm going to give you a big tip on how to sound like a native French speaker and to make sure you don't stick out like a sore thumb, all right? Stay tuned. Salut and welcome to Learn French with Nat. So if you're new to my channel, I'm Nat and I love teaching you some French. Whatever you guys need to learn, so be sure to subscribe because I post 2 videos a week and I want to make sure that you don't miss any content, okay? Now let's get into the lesson. So my best tip for you right now to sound like a native French speaker is to replace nous, which is we, with on. So the proper way of saying we in French is to use nous. Nous is first person plural, which means me and a few other people. We went to the market. Nous sommes allés au marché. However, in conversational French, we barely ever use le nous, okay? We replace it with on, okay? In a written document, in the book, in a newspaper, you'd always use the proper way of saying it. You say nous. But from just talking to somebody, we typically always use on. And on is third person singular. So your verb in this case is conjugated third person singular. On est allé au marché. We went to the market. On est allé à la plage. We went to the beach. If you wanted to say, let's go, you'd say, on y va. If you want to say, what are we eating tonight? You could say, on mange quoi ce soir? If you needed to say, we need to talk, you would say, il faut qu'on parle. Okay? So, if you're in conversation with somebody in French and you're trying to say oui, always use on. On est allé au cinéma hier soir. On est allé au restaurant. On aimerait aller te voir. On aimerait travailler avec toi. Whatever the situation, use on. Okay? But just for conversational. All right? Let me know if that makes sense below. Type French if this makes sense to you. Okay? Hope this video was a little bit helpful. So don't forget to subscribe because I post 2 videos a week. And I'll see you in the next video, okay? Merci les amis!